Energy.
No one ugly allowed. Are you ready? Here we go.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Aida Anadelo, representing 7 Rizal.
Good morning. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Aida Ismail, representing 7 Rizal.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Tiffany Shayas Valentino, representing our section, grade 7 Rizal.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jeffrey Quintor and I am currently 13 years old, representing the section 7 Rizal.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Margaret Fontanillas, representing 7 Aguinaldo.
Good morning. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Mark Alexis Doyogan, and I'm 13 years old from 7 Aguinaldo.
No one ugly allowed. Are you ready? Here we go.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Winnie Charlie Rodriguez, representing 7 Aguinaldo.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Yuri Santos, representing 7 Bonifacio.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Rosemary Kuwal, representing 7 Bonifacio. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Luella Di Marmol, representing 7 Nagoy.
Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Jasper Tindaldok, and I'm representing 7 Nagoy.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Katie Rivera, grade 7 representative Del Pilar.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is John Arlene Arda, representing 7 Del Pilar.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ivan Germinase, or
7, Aina.
Hello everyone, my name is Aleta Toril Velasco and I'm representing 7 Mabini. Hello everyone, my name is Princess Alicia Esteban from 7 Mabini.
You have to show and look and look. No one ugly allowed. Are you ready? Here we go.
Hi, good afternoon everyone. My name is Pina Harper. I'm representing from 7 Silang.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Leonel Elizabeth. Representing 7C.
Hi everyone, my name is Arlene Garcia Pasupol from grade 7 Silang and I think
Next, 7, Del Pilar Fled. Next we have Air from 7, Aina. Gusto ko sana yung may gusto ko. Oh, gusto ko yun siya. Okay, next Air from 7, Mabini. Okay, and last one we have from 7 Silang. Okay, sige, go. Tapa na, papunta doon. Sunod, next. Del Pilar.